Now, I want to come in close and take a look at these little devices right here. And Finn, you can come right in here. We're done popping balloons. Yeah, so you can come right in here. We have these grasshoppers. And Finn, you know what makes these run?
Yeah, solar energy.
Solar energy. And I got a light source right here. And if I aim these at the grasshoppers, what's happening?
Nothing.
Nothing.
It needs to get a little bit closer.
You need to get a little bit closer. And when I do that,
because these solar panels are smaller.
They're smaller. And if I bring them closer,
Oh,
yeah, you feel it?
You can
Go
feel
ahead and put it back in the little tub, and we'll bring it in close.
Oh, they're going crazy.
And now they're going crazy. So what happens is the light's really, really intense right there because it's really, really close. When I get further away, less intense, less intense.
And then they die.
And then they don't work.
Poor things.
Very sad. But we can bring them back. Wait. Now they're happy again. And that's because the light is really, really intense. Now, I want to show you something. I got a couple of filters here. And I'm going to put these two filters on top of the grasshoppers.
That's black and that's
This one's
all
clear,
the colors of the rainbow.
and this one's black.
Not a color.
Not a color.
Not a color.
Now, I'm going to take this one and put it on top of the grasshoppers.
Oh,
It's
gonna make 'em-
reflecting. It's reflecting to the light bulb, and it's still working at the same time.
It's still working. So this doesn't stop them.
That's because it's glass. And you know, maybe it won't give them as much, but it's still light.
How about this one?
It stops.
Interesting.
You would assume that the darker one would stop them, but the
Wouldn't
light
you?
one.
But the
is-
light one does.
Yeah.
This one shuts them down. And this one
Keeps them going.
keeps them going.
I wonder if
Most-
you put them. I wonder if you put them on top of each other. See what would happen.
I like the way you think. Let's try it and see.
You see,
It's
not
faint.
Oh, man.
faint, really faint.
They're
Wow.
still jiggling a bit, but not
Wow.
much.
Now, before, we were talking about how different animals see the world with different parts of the spectrum.
Yep.
This plastic is actually a color that's beyond the rainbow. It's in a color called infrared. If you look at here, do you see a little bit of red light come through?
Yeah, you can see it sort of.
A little bit? Or if I hold it right here, you can see a little bit of red light.
Yeah.
That's actually what's called infrared. And most of the energy, 95% of the energy that comes off this bulb is infrared. And this lets the infrared go, and this one
Is
makes it stop.
It's their kryptonite.
It's their kryptonite. Awesome. You guys are very dark today, I have to say. So this one makes them stop, this one doesn't. That's because 95% of the energy is infrared, and this one lets it pass, and this one
does not.
does not. So this stops 95% of the energy, even though it looks like, from our point of view,
That this one would let it through.
it does.
Yep.
And it lets through just the visible light, but there's more to the rainbow than meets the eye, I think I would say. Awesome.